Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Stellar from Revolut to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Stellar on Revolut and want to move it to Coinbase for better management, trading, or staking opportunities, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates in 2025 crypto regulations. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have both a Revolut account with Stellar tokens and a Coinbase wallet set up. Download the latest versions of both apps for security and compatibility. Why do this? Coinbase offers more advanced features for your crypto, like decentralized apps and staking rewards. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the Crypto section. Find your Stellar tokens, tap on them, and select the Withdraw or Send option. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, so don't close this yet. Step 2. Switch to your Coinbase wallet app. Go to the Receive section, select Stellar XLM, and copy the wallet address provided. Pro tip. Double-check that you're using the correct network. Stellar uses its own blockchain, so ensure it's set to the Stellar network to avoid any lost funds. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to transfer, keeping in mind any fees Revolut might charge, typically around 1 to 2% in 2025. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Step 4. Wait for the transfer to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Coinbase Wallet and refresh your balance to see your Stellar tokens arrive. A quick word of caution. Always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, check Revolut or Coinbase support for 2025 specific guidelines. There you have it. That's how you transfer Stellar from Revolut to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. This step boosts your crypto flexibility and security. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.